Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore failed swap transactions on Uniswap. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To restore a failed swap transaction on Uniswap, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Uniswap website. Connect your digital wallet to the Uniswap platform. Select the tokens you want to swap. Enter the amount you wish to exchange. Review the details of the swap carefully. If your transaction fails, check the notification or alert on the screen. Locate the transaction hash provided by Uniswap. Copy the transaction hash. Open a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. Paste the transaction hash into the search bar. Review the transaction details to determine the reason for failure. Common reasons include insufficient gas fees or slippage issues. If slippage is the issue, adjust your slippage tolerance settings on Uniswap. Return to Uniswap and re-enter the swap details. Before confirming, ensure you have adequate gas fees set for your transaction. Complete the swap. Monitor your transaction status through the blockchain explorer. Once successful, confirm the transaction in your wallet. If you continue experiencing issues, consider reaching out to Uniswap support. Document any specific error messages for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.